Hello, students of El Camino. My name is Declan Stone, and welcome back to another episode of ECR Reality. Today we'll be discussing the new renovations that I've hoped you've all noticed, hopefully. Now, I'm sure we've all noticed the new paint jobs around the A buildings as of recent months, but over the spring break, much work was done to get some brand new things put up around here.
New paint, furniture, and decorations are just a few of the many renovations that Elco has set up.
And of course, everyone has seen the signs.
After the completion of the renovations, there's been much talk among students on whether or not these changes were even necessary to the school.
Now, many students have actually argued that these funds would be much better spent in other departments or classes. And here we have one of the other most popular improvements, where we have the new monitors in the A building hallway. Now, these monitors are great, but you may notice that the plastic wrap that they came with has not yet been fully removed. And on a particularly hot day, if the plastic wrap heats up too much, it could melt into the screen and adhere to it, rendering these beloved monitors permanently inoperable. And here we have one of my personal favorite renovations, where we have a large sign in the A building hallway that represents our school's personal motto, which that being the home of academic, athletic, and artistic excellence. Except in this sign, where our valuable school funding money was placed into the amazing motto, home of academic, artistic, and academic excellence. Now, of course, this sign can't stay up, and the school administration has recognized it and has made plans to change the sign to represent our actual school motto. Would have been nice if they got it right the first time.
Hi CR students, a few weeks ago the Powderpuff game took place. We interviewed some of the players and cheerleaders about their thoughts while training. Hope you enjoy. Hi, my name is Kim. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Francie.
So, what's your position in Powderpuff?
My position is running back.
And why did you choose to participate?
Because I always wanted to learn how to play football, and I think it's really cool if we have the opportunity.
Do you practice, and what do you do during the practice?
So we practice twice in the school per week, and on the weekends we play in the park. And there we have different coaches, and we can decide if we want to be defense or offense. And then you can choose your position, and then you have different coaches, and you learn about the position.
And as an exchange student, what did you know about football before coming here?
In Germany, football is not really a common sport. So honestly, nothing. I never really saw a game, so yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Kim. What's your name?
My name is Zoe.
What grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
And did you participate to Powderpuff?
Yeah, I did.
What do you think about it?
I think in general it was a really great experience. Not just the game, but like the practices and everything. We were able to meet a lot of new people and make new friends, so it was definitely really fun.
And did it meet your expectations?
I didn't really have expectation in particular, but I mean, we can all say that the score was different than what we thought it would be. But yeah, we never really practiced on the real field before, so it was definitely different, but it was okay.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Kim. What's your name?
My name is Harrison.
So, why did you decide to join Powderpuff?
I just thought it would be one fun thing to do for my senior year.
Okay, and how are practices and what are you doing during it?
They're fun. It's twice a week for an hour and a half, just learning dances for the halftime show.
And was it hard to learn the choreography?
Yeah, but we all got the hang of it over time.
So are you done now?
We have one more practice before the game.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Ella Matthews. Welcome back to ECR Reality, and today we're talking about cheer and cheer competitions. My fellow co-host Tatiana Reynosa will be interviewing.
I'm with Serena,
Moni Thompson, Tanda, Clementine Lips,
Courtney, Layla, Alexis.
Louisa.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 9th grade.
10th.
11. I'm a junior.
11. 11. 11.
I'm a senior.
How long have you been on El Camino cheer team?
2 years. Since sophomore year after COVID.
A year and a half.
How do you feel being on ECR cheer?
I think there's many ups and downs, but I overall think that it's one of the greatest experiences of my life. It's my first year competing with Elko, and so far it's been pretty amazing.
I love the people. I made a lot of good friends on the team.
I like how united we are. How we have competitions and we have practice, and just you can make a lot of friends through cheer.
I really liked football season. Football season was super fun.
I think we're getting better. We got first a couple on our first competition, and we're starting to do like higher level stunts, which is cool.
I feel like we have progressed a lot and we've been working really hard towards city, and I'm really excited about what we can accomplish.
I feel the same. I think in comparison to how we started off, we've improved a lot, and we've just done a lot of new things that I think are cool.
I'm super proud of our girls. I feel like we've worked super hard this year. We've come a long way, and I can't wait to see what happens.
I like the cheer team. It's kind of fun.
Are you a flyer, base, or back spot?
I'm a flyer.
What about you?
I'm a main base.
What's the hardest part about that job?
I would say the hardest part about being a main base is just making sure you honestly have your grips correct, because if you mess up your grips, you're in the way of other people.
Literally everything, because you're in the air, so you mess up, then everyone knows, I feel like people don't understand how hard it is, because it is.
How do you balance your grades with cheer?
So I think the easiest way, first of all, it's not easy. Cheer is a big commitment. But I think it's all about time management, making sure that when you're at practice, you're focusing, and then when you get home, you're focusing on your work. I try not to balance the two at the same time, because then it might be a little stressful. So just making time for each own, and yeah, I think it'll be all good.
Hello, and welcome back to ECR Reality. I'm Lauren Gilder, next to me is Rihanna Norze, and behind the camera is Jaden Woodings.
Our segment this week is Yearbook. You'll get an inside look on how the yearbook is produced.
Let's get into it.
Hi, what's your name and what grade are you in?
My name is Rebecca Margolin, and I'm in 10th grade.
What's your favorite part about being on the yearbook?
So I'm mainly a sports photographer, so it's really easy for me to connect with teams and players and coaches and just the entire staff.
Thank you. What's your favorite page in the yearbook?
I'd say my favorite page in the yearbook would probably be the homecoming spread. I feel like it's very creative and colorful, and it kind of encaptures school events.
Do you think the yearbook is an important thing, and why?
Yes, so we make the yearbook so that students, when they grow up, or even like next year, they can look back and remember, oh, I have my senior year, I have my junior year, I have my sophomore year, I have my freshman year.
Thank you. Hi, what's your name and what grade are you in?
My name's Eliza Lauderstein, and I'm a freshman.
What do you love most about being in yearbook?
I love being able to make connections and just getting to meet a ton of people and meet staff members, which I think is really important, especially because I'm going to be here for the next 3 years. It's just been nice to be able to meet people my freshman year, if that makes sense.
That's so cool, thank you. What's your favorite page in the yearbook?
My favorite page in the yearbook is the football spread. It was the first spread that I really worked on by myself, and I put the design together, I made the little mods on it, and I picked the photo, and I did all the copy for it. So it was really fun just getting to work on it and have independence with it.
That's great. Do you recommend this class to anybody else?
Yeah, I would. It teaches you a lot of different skills, just people skills, just getting to be able to get your work done on time for deadlines, and it's just a lot of fun, and it's just a really fun class.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
What's your name and what grade are you in?
My name is Ellis Preston, and I'm a senior.
What's your favorite part about being in yearbook?
My favorite part about being in yearbook is probably the class. Watching everyone and how motivated they are is just really inspiring, and I love journalism, so that's a big aspect of it.
What role do you play in the class?
I am co-editor-in-chief with Patricia Gellicanau.
What's your favorite part about being editor-in-chief?
About being editor-in-chief is probably getting to help work with the other staff members and teach them things, and I also get a big influence over what the yearbook theme is and what certain pages look like, so I get to kind of change everything to the way I prefer, which is nice.
That's great. Do you have a favorite page in the yearbook?
Yes, but the yearbook's not out yet, but probably my favorite pages are the ones involving arts, like drama or band and stuff like that.
Thank you.
Cool.